This is a special video about the 2022 Dowerin Field Days. Join us as we play on some huge tractors and machinery. Today we had an awesome day exploring the Dowerin Field Days. This is an event in Western Australia where the biggest and most impressive farm tractors and machines are put on show for all to see and for the kids to play on. This is one of the biggest combine harvesters in the world. That's a mini excavator. It's got a big long arm and a hook for breaking rocks. The cab spins around 360 degrees. That's all the way round in a circle.
Wow.
The wheels are called tracks. When the wheels are shaped like this, there's less chance of getting stuck like normal wheels would.
Push the pedals.
These levers are for moving the machine backwards, forwards and sideways. Here's another mini excavator, but this one has a bucket at the end of its arm. The bucket can be used for digging, breaking rocks and making trenches. Here's a green John Deere tractor. Here's a yellow John Deere articulated loader. It can be used for lots of things such as digging and scraping sand, gravel and dirt. Here's a telehandler. It's for lifting things really high up, like hay bales and workers who are building really high buildings. Here are some old vintage tractors restored to their former glory. Here's an animal farm. Kip and Finn have fun cuddling the little animals. Kip has a cuddle with a little guinea pig. That's a yellow header without the comb. There are tracks at the front instead of wheels because as it fills up with grain, all the weight gets put on the front of the header. This is a Mack truck triple axle prime mover. It's one of the biggest trucks in the whole world. It can pull a load of nearly 200 tons. This is a really big field bin. It's a grain storage unit which is placed in the field to store the grain that's being harvested. This one is a big hay baler. The hay bales come out here. This one is a crop sprayer. It's really high up so it can drive over the top of tall crops. This one is a big mobile crane.